Hello, I am Patty Ford, and I want to offer you today a framework for listening, a framework for how do I listen to my body, and one, why is that important? So, a lot of times we're listening to outside influences to feel better in our body, sometimes because we've just never listened to our body. What does listening to your body mean? It means noting the signs, the sensations, and what they mean and what's important to us, and being able to regulate them, being able to listen to them with a regulated nervous system, because ultimately that is going to help all your systems. When your nervous system is regulated, all your systems work really, really well. So we're going to have spikes and dips, but I was even talking with a client this morning. It's not necessarily about the level of the spike, but it's about how fast you can recover, or how fast you can regulate, or what does that look like. And then sometimes when we have dysregulation over time, that leads to burnout. And so listening to your body, you'll be able to understand how you're functioning. So how you can listen is, first, notice what's really important to you. And a lot of times that is so hard to do because you haven't done any self-reflection or introspection on what really matters to you. We think we want to lose weight. We think we want to have $1 million or whatever, but it's actually how you're going to feel when those outcomes happen. And so then you say, okay, well, what would that feel like? We're actually after the feeling and not the definition. Hope this helps. Stay tuned for part 2 of 5.